Welcome to GearWings.com YouTube channel. In this video we see assembling of electrostatic centrifugal sprayers. Required parts. The package includes electrostatic centrifugal sprayers 2 units. Next, stepwise assembling. Step 1. Place sprayer plates under the motor. And then tighten the screws. Step 2. Insert the centrifugal sprayer. Step 3. Connect all pipe joints from pump to sprayers. Already pipe holders are present in frame. Step 4. Connect the XT60 connector in PDB. Step 5. Now connect other pin to FC. Step 6. Insert wire through frame as showing here. And insert rubber to that wire. Last and final step. Close the frame hole with that rubber. Top view after all done. These are the sides we assembled the sprayers. Gear up with GearWings.com. Visit our website, and for more such videos subscribe. Thanks for watching.